Imagine this. A 92-year-old man in rural Japan climbs stairs faster than someone in their 40s. No pain, no wobbling, no cane. And when doctors tested him, his leg strength was 30% higher than the average adult half his age. How is that possible? Because every single morning for more than 30 years, he ate one simple food that nearly every senior has in their kitchen, but almost no one uses correctly. Today, I'm going to show you that food, why it works, and the exact way to eat it daily so your legs can stay strong, even into your 80s and 90s. Stay with me because the way most people prepare this food actually destroys the nutrients that rebuild leg strength. And number one on this list may shock you. Before we jump in, if you're someone who wants to stay strong, independent, and active as you age, hit the subscribe button. We make videos that simplify senior health so you can keep living life on your terms. Here's what doctors won't always tell you. Your legs don't get weak because of age. They get weak because of muscle breakdown. And foods can either speed up that breakdown or help rebuild strength every single day. Tokyo Medical University spent 15 years studying muscle loss in over 8,000 seniors, and they found that what you eat daily matters more than exercise alone. So today, we're counting down the top 7 foods that rebuild leg strength after 60, ending with the one that boosts muscle synthesis by over 260% when eaten correctly. If you want more energy walking, climbing stairs, or simply getting up from a chair, this video is for you. Number 7. The leg stability vegetable. Most seniors think vegetables are all the same, but one stands out for leg stability: spinach, but only when prepared correctly. Harvard researchers discovered that spinach contains nitrates, which help your leg muscles contract more efficiently. This means your steps become steadier, your balance improves, and you don't tire as fast. But here's the problem. Harvard researchers warn spinach blocks calcium absorption for seniors. But boiled spinach destroys its nitrates. Correct method? Steam spinach for exactly 3 minutes. This preserves the nitrates and keeps the fiber intact. Margaret, 76, from Ohio, she used to grab the handrail every time she stepped off a curb because her ankles felt shaky. After adding a small cup of steamed spinach to her lunch every day, she told her daughter, "I feel like my legs finally listen to me again." Even her physical therapist noticed her steps became steadier within just a few weeks. Extra pro tip: add a squeeze of lemon. Vitamin C helps your muscles use the calcium more effectively. Just half a cup of steamed spinach a day can noticeably reduce leg fatigue within 2 to 3 weeks. But this next food doesn't just help fatigue. It helps your legs stay active longer into the day. The longevity carb that powers leg endurance. Do you struggle with leg fatigue? This next food is a legend among long-living Okinawan elders. It helps them walk long distances without tiring. It supports clean energy in the muscles, and it helps stabilize blood sugar throughout the day. It's the Japanese sweet potato, also known as emo. Here's the fascinating part. When these potatoes cool overnight, they produce resistant starch, a special type of carbohydrate that feeds your gut bacteria and boosts your leg endurance. Tokyo researchers found that seniors who ate cooled sweet potato had 43% more glycogen stored in their leg muscles, 27% better stability when climbing stairs, and far fewer midday crashes. Daniel, 81, who loved walking his dog but always felt wiped out halfway through. He started eating cool Japanese sweet potato at lunchtime. Nothing else changed. 2 weeks later, he told his neighbor, "I don't need to stop and catch my breath anymore. My legs just keep going." That's the power of steady glycogen in senior muscles. Correct method? 1. Bake the sweet potato. 2. Let it cool overnight in the fridge. 3. Eat it cold the next day or reheat it gently. Why? Cooling increases resistant starch. Reheating keeps it. Eat it at lunch for an afternoon energy boost. But resistance alone isn't enough. Your legs also need rebuilding blocks. Quick question for you. When do your legs feel weakest? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious how our community compares. Number 5. The nighttime rebuilder. This one surprises most people. Greek yogurt. Why? Because your legs rebuild while you sleep, not during the day. And Greek yogurt contains slow-digesting proteins that feed your muscles throughout the night. A European Journal of Nutrition study found that seniors who ate Greek yogurt before bedtime had 33% better overnight muscle recovery, less morning stiffness, and stronger leg strength after 12 weeks. But most people make 2 mistakes: eating yogurt in the morning when muscles don't need it, and choosing flavored yogurt full of sugar. Mary, 73, struggled with morning stiffness so much that getting out of bed felt like unfolding a rusty lawn chair, as she joked. Her doctor suggested adding a small serving of Greek yogurt before bed. By the 3rd week, she said her legs felt less heavy, less locked up every morning. Her son noticed she even started taking the stairs again instead of the elevator. Half cup of plain Greek yogurt 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Add cinnamon for blood sugar control. And if nighttime repair is important, daytime inflammation control matters even more. And by the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, let me know by tapping the like and subscribe button. It helps our whole community grow.
Number 4. The anti-inflammation powerhouse. Painful walking isn't always from weak muscles. Often, it's from inflammation in the knees and ankles. And nothing fights inflammation like sardines in olive oil. Sardines are rich in omega-3s, reduce joint inflammation, calcium, strengthens bones, and vitamin D improves muscle contraction. A Japanese study on seniors found that those who ate sardines 3 times per week had 29% less joint pain, 41% better walking speed, and significantly lower inflammation markers. Correct method: buy sardines in olive oil, not soybean oil. Soybean oil increases inflammation. Eat 2 to 3 times weekly. Ideal time: lunch, so fats digest slow and steady. But sardines build comfort. This next food builds raw power. Number 3. The morning power activator. This simple food has been proven to kickstart muscle rebuilding first thing in the morning. Eggs. But not for the reason people think. Eggs contain leucine, the #1 amino acid that signals your body to start building muscle. A University of Texas study found that seniors who ate whole eggs, not just egg whites, had 40% more muscle synthesis within 2 hours. Correct method: eat 2 whole eggs. Cook them on low to medium heat, because high heat damages the protein structures. Extra tip: add black pepper plus turmeric. This combo reduces inflammation and improves muscle recovery. But leucine alone won't fix age-related muscle decline. This next food addresses the real root cause. Number 2. The mitochondria booster. What time of day do you feel weakest? Weak legs aren't always weak muscles. Sometimes it's weak mitochondria, the power plants inside your muscle cells. The best mitochondria booster? Almonds. Yes, simple almonds. Rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and plant protein. Harvard researchers found that seniors who ate almonds daily improved walking speed by 12% and reduced leg fatigue by 23% in just 8 weeks. Now let me share Jack's story. He's 79 and used to feel his legs get tired just walking from the living room to the porch. He began soaking 10 almonds overnight and eating them first thing in the morning. Within a month, he said, "I don't feel that afternoon crash anymore." His daughter joked that he suddenly had the energy of a 60-year-old. Correct method. Eat a small handful, 10 to 12 almonds per day, but soak them overnight. Why soak? It removes phytic acid, which blocks nutrient absorption. Soaked almonds mean more magnesium, which strengthens muscle contraction. And now, the moment you've waited for, the #1 most powerful food for senior leg strength. Quick reminder, if you enjoy learning simple, science-backed ways to stay strong after 60, make sure you're subscribed. #1. The daily food that boosts leg strength over 260%. This is the food Tokyo Medical University called the closest thing to a natural strength enhancer for seniors. The food? Chicken thighs. Why thighs? Because they contain the highest natural levels of anserine and carnosine, two compounds that protect muscle fibers from breaking down as you age. In one famous study, men and women between the ages of 65 and 92 who ate chicken thighs daily had 260% higher muscle synthesis, better walking speed, stronger grip strength, and dramatically less leg tremble. Correct method. Cook chicken thighs on low heat. Keep the skin on if possible. It contains nutrients that enhance absorption. Add ginger or garlic for digestion. Eat 1 chicken thigh per day, lunch or dinner. Most people don't know this, but the thigh muscles in chickens contain more protective compounds than chicken breast, which is why this works so well for seniors. You're not just feeding muscles, you're protecting your independence. Final takeaway. Strong legs don't come from gyms. They come from daily habits. If you want to walk easier, climb stairs comfortably, and stay independent into your 70s, 80s, and even 90s, start with your plate. Food can rebuild what age takes away, slowly, gently, and more effectively than most people realize. Tell me in the comments below, which food are you adding to your routine first? Your comments help others. Your story motivates someone your age. And if you want more senior-friendly videos backed by science and real case studies, hit subscribe to Science Pro. Healthy aging isn't luck. It's a daily choice.